Hey guys, welcome to the toys. Today I'm gonna show you another series of Shang Yuan, the Crazy Birds. On my other video, I already did Red and Stella. So now I'm gonna be doing another Angry Bird named Matilda! Yay! Okay, so this is for age 6 and above, and it have 65 pieces of bricks, and this will be the outcome after assembling it. Alright, so now I'm gonna open the box and show you what's inside. Our first package of bricks. Oh, Matilda. So cute, right? Alright. So I just put this there. And then another package of bricks. And another package of bricks. And nothing. Alright, so let me just put this aside. So, as you can see here, these are the wheels. So huge. Oh my god. Compared to the other wheels, so big. See? Okay. Let me show you the instruction. So, this is the instruction. And it have 27 steps of how to make and assemble it. Alright, so let's get this started. Ta-da! So now we're done. So cute. Hi, I'm Matilda. Alright, look at her tail and her feathers. So cute. Alright, so let me just put her on her truck. Yep, just like this. And this is the outcome after assembling it. As you can see, Matilda's truck have a huge wheels, and unlike the other two Crazy Birds collection, Matilda's trucks doesn't have eggs. Tiny little cute eggs. Alright, so let let me just show you this. See? You can actually open this and you can actually put something inside. Wait, let me borrow the eggs of Stella. Alright. And then let me put it inside. Ta-da! Ta-da! See, so cute, right? And then I'm gonna cover it up. Just like this. So cool. Alright, so now we have 3 of the collection of crazy birds. If you want to watch the video of Stella and Red, I'm gonna put the link below, so just click it and enjoy watching. Alright, so this is it for today. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!